Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into Buzzsprout, one of the easiest podcast hosting platforms out there, and I'll show you exactly how beginners can get started with it in 2025. Let's get started into it. First, head over to buzzsprout.com and create a free account. Once you're in, Buzzsprout will guide you through setting up your podcast. Just enter your show title, description, category, and upload your artwork. Make sure your artwork is at least 1400 by itself pixel and under 500 kilobytes or it won't upload. Now, it's time to upload your first episode. Click on Upload a new episode. Drag you in MP3 file. Add a title description, episode number, and select publish date. Buzzsprout also lets you to schedule episodes, so you can batch record and release later. Once your episode is uploaded, Buzzsprout will optimize it. That means it automatically levels the audio and converts to industry standard format, which is super useful and if you're not an audio pro. After that, head to directories and start submitting your podcast to places like Spotify and Apple Podcast and Google Podcast and more. Buzzsprout make this easy with direct submission links and step-by-step instructions. Buzzsprout also gives you a free website for your podcast and embedded player to add episode to your own blog or site. You can customize the podcast landing page under the website tab. To track your success, go to stats. Here you will find downloads per episode, listener locations, and which directories are performing best. These insights help you grow smarter. If you're a free plan, you get 2 hours of upload time per month, and episode stays live for 90 days. But if you want to unlimited storage, episode per month, and advanced analytics, you can upgrade start at $12 per month. And that's it. From signing up to publishing your first episode, Buzzsprout makes podcasting beginner and friendly and also efficient. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave you an question and favorite podcast tips down below, and subscribe for more tutorials and creator tools. See you in next one.